What is up, guys? We are at the hidden workshop. Now we are back with the Satria. So today what we're gonna do is we are changing the mounting, the engine mount, two at the side, left, right, and then front, back, 4 of it in total. So the rough idea is just open whatever that's needed. So Mark is now opening that is blocking. So yes, we can see one mount is over a bit blocked, which is the gearbox mount. One is the engine mount, which is over this side. To change this, you have to take out the aircon filter and this. What is this power steering car? This one? Aircon hose bracket. And then the another two mount is right at the bottom, which is one is over here and another one is one is over there. Since we are taking out this mount, need to bear in mind that you need to use something to hold the engine. So Mark is putting wood on top of a jack which will hold the engine. So use jack to hold the on-10.
Just hold it only, right?
Yeah, so that it doesn't drop. So the mounting on the right side of the engine uses one nut and one bolt. For this one, the bolt size is 17 and the nut that's holding the size is 14. Kerasnya. So now Mark is opening the mounting on the gearbox side, which uses one nut of 17 and the bolt is 19. How much is this one?
I think around 3 or less.
SM. Good. Mark has took out the gearbox mount. And brand new. Right? It's pointing downwards. I like that.
Like that?
Yes. This is the old mount. Old mount is still okay, but on the way rosak, but still overall okay. But just change. Whoa! Out the mount. Oh, I know now. Wait, share dulu. Tiba-tiba senang. Settle! We have settled the left and right mount. The left side, right side is not as straightforward. The right side is a lot easier because of the space. Now we're gonna go for the cross member mount. Now it's for the middle cross member.
One, the line, one facing there, one facing there. Is it correct?
Cross member out, Brand new mounting is here. Old mounting, this one is definitely about to split. Very bad. The back is also ready to split as well compared to this one. I bet it's gonna be a lot nicer in idling after changing this. As usual, we need to watch it.
Bos.
Before and after can really tell from camera. From shaking.
See the
Oh yeah, man. Damn.
then again. Lubang ada mounting.
Nice. Yeah, man. A bit of smart working.
Don't unlock them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Be okay here.
Noise. And then it's like boom. Finally, we have installed all the 4 mounts. The one at the cross member was to do. So the average labor charge for this is, I don't know, some workshop is 150, some workshop is 200. So we managed to save those 150 to 200 and use up how many hours? I don't know what time is it now. Should be 3 hours. Not too bad. If you send to workshop, most probably they will take like 2 hours, so it's not too bad. We actually spend 1 hour less in the workshop. Despite that, we're idling that much. But yeah, this car was actually sleeping at the workshop before this because we had some clutch issue and finally moving. And then Mark decided to change the engine mount, the mounting, because it's he's had the mounting with him for quite some time. And there's a bit of shakiness of the engine there. I can't tell the difference, but then Mark did say the engine is more straight, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, ka?
Yes. Very obvious.
Really? Damn, I never actually noticed it. But it is very straight right now. What do you think of installing the engine mount, Mark?
Quite straightforward, but time consuming, especially all the nuts doesn't align.
Oh yeah, aligning is always aligning the nuts. The nuts and the bolts, finding that hole. Yeah, what's the job of every man. So Mark is locking the wheel, last stage of the Satria, and basically the car is ready to run. Hell yeah! Very nice. No shaker. So that is us changing the engine mount on the Satria. You guys, whoever want to try it out, you can try it on your Wira. It's the same. What else? Satria Putra. Yeah, and for some reason, yeah, that's why Wira, Satria, Putra. And then my Saga is also similar like that. Quite like 90% alike. Not that difficult. Can figure it out. Just have to figure out how you want to align the holes of the mount and a bit of mathematical skill over there. So hope you guys like the video. on the Satria. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know whatever content you want to see on the Satria or the Proton Sagas. For those of you who are in Kuching, want to catch us, can meet us in the stadium most of the weekend. So see you guys in the next video.